Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to disable automatic downloads in Google Chrome. If you've ever been annoyed by files saving themselves without asking, or you just want more control over what gets downloaded onto your device, this short tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your phone or tablet. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three dots, also known as the menu button. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you straight into Chrome's main settings menu, where we can control a wide range of browsing features. Next, inside the settings menu, find and tap on Site Settings. Site Settings is the section where you manage permissions for websites, including things like access to your location, notifications, and of course, downloads. Once you're inside the Site Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Automatic Downloads. Tap on that, and you'll see a setting that controls whether websites can download multiple files automatically or if they need your permission each time. To stop sites from downloading files without asking, simply toggle off this option. Switching it off will ensure that before any website attempts to download multiple files, Chrome will first ask you for confirmation. That means you're back in control, and you won't be caught off guard by unwanted files showing up on your device. And that's it. Just a few taps, and you've successfully disabled automatic downloads in Chrome. From now on, you decide when and what gets downloaded, keeping your device more secure and your storage less cluttered. If this guide helped you, remember that small adjustments like this can make a big difference in how smoothly and safely your browser works. Thanks for watching.